Hey everybody, this is Rachel from Blue Jane Creations. I just wanted to come on and do the official unboxing of the brand new Vintage Treasures by Shiny Silver Treasure. She is a brand new designer and she has finally been able to release it. This is a project she's been working on, I believe, for the last just about 2 years. So I'm gonna go through this really quickly. I know I did put up a video showing me make a card, but it was just going to happen. As soon as I got the package, I knew the first thing I was going to do, I was going to make something. So I just did the quick card video, and then now today I'm going to do the official unboxing. And I do want to note, I give her massive props because she has made all the flowers that come with it. Die cut them, glued them, put them together, and she has also hand cut out all the fussy cut elements that you get. So I definitely give her massive props for that because I still can't really fussy cut to save my life. So the time and effort that went into this kit is amazing. So hats off to you, Dawn. I'm really excited to help support you as you move into the next phase of your crafting world. So these are the fussy cut elements that you get in the kit, and like I said, the flowers, she did that all by hand. So the quantities are limited. I don't know at the moment if this kit is actually still available. You would have to go to Shiny Silver Treasures on Etsy, and it'll obviously tell you. You can go through her shop. She included some add-on stuff. I moved these into this little container, but she gives you a little package of sequins. You get some flowers. Now these, I'm not entirely sure if these were handmade or not. I'd have to go back. She has an unboxing video. I believe this came live January 15th, so a couple days before that. If you check out her video collection on Shiny Silver Treasures here on YouTube. But she does include some of these flowers, and she includes these embellishments. You got 2 little keys. You got this little, I guess you would call it a flourish. I actually use this as a stamp. I like this as a stamp, although at some point I'm sure I'll actually use it as an embellishment. But you get that. You get these little chipboard frames. You get these little clear stones. And she had fun adding a little bit of adhesive on the bottom and then added the gold foil. So the gold foil shows through the stone, makes it look really pretty. Then she included 2 washi tapes. I don't know, I think this one everybody may get that while her supplies last, but then she has different washi tapes that she includes. So I got the blue polka dot, or blue with white polka dot. Then she had some teeny tiny, it's like the peel-offs, but in a roll. And this will last a long time. It's very narrow, but there's a lot on here, so definitely have fun with that. I ended up using the Love from Lizzie just because of the color palette I chose yesterday, but everything except the inks and the shimmery embossing powder, this was like all her stuff. So I just did my quick, I think of it as my standard format in the card making. But today I'll be recording other videos of making things. I want to do her mixed media project. She uses the actual box that you get your stuff in, and she turned it into like a shadow box mixed media thing. So keep a lookout for that while I showcase more of her stuff. So you get these are the little additional items. I'm trying to keep this quick because I know I tend to talk and chatter and I get distracted a lot. So you also get the stamp set. It is I'm not sure if it's a polymer or a silicone. I can never tell the difference between the two types. But in any case, you get these little clocks and watches. Is actually, I think, how this kit came to be. But again, she can explain that in the video. It started out with like a timepiece like that she was doodling by hand, and it just kind of sprung from there. So you get 4 of these little stamps. I have not used these yet, but definitely going to be getting to that later today. She includes a thank you card that is really pretty. Just as a personal thank you to help support her new endeavor. So I actually, keeping this propped up in front of me, I've got a little storage bucket thing of explosion powders. And so it's right in front of me, which is cute because the card is basically like a purple and the bucket is a purple, so they complement each other. Just a little side note, see, because there I go. She includes more Fussy Cut flowers. And I haven't, like I said, I haven't used these yet, but I'll definitely be getting to them. And seriously, man, I give her props. She can fussy cut like nobody's business. So that alone was like huge in when I got the kit to see how much time and effort she put into this. She also includes some sentiment pages in different sizes. I think this is the bonus. I believe it's what is that, a A4 size? I can never keep it straight what's what, but in any case, it's a bonus large sheet of the sentiments, and I did use one, as you saw. I used the happy birthday. So you get these. She includes a piece of lace, and I'm not sure if all the lace is the same, but in any case, you'll see if you order it, if she has any left, what you get. And this is technically the card that shows you or tells you everything that's included in the kit. Then it's like a bookmark, or you could use these as sentiments. You could color these in and fussy cut them. So just a fun little add-on. Then this is just a scrap from one of the papers that I used yesterday. Then she includes a small one-sided pack of, I guess for argument's sake, this would be like a 4x5 or something like that. It's like a postcard size papers. So you could use it as a postcard, or you could use this as layering paper. And then these are some one-sided sheets with different patterns on them. So there's those. And then she includes double-sided paper, which I think that's, nope, this paper was part of the one-sided sheets. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Do I have them over here? I think I have 7 of the single-sided paper, and I believe there was 5 of the, no, double-sided, 7 of the double-sided, 5 of the single-sided. Okay, I am still working the copy. So just a quick recap. There's that one, that's the other side. Some vintage letters and some dragonflies. You got some pretty botanical, and then the script. Then you get like just a plain tannish color, and then on the other side you get more of like a distressed look, and then some more distressed with florals on the back. Kind of a scripty page, and then the vintage camera typewriter fun little paper. Then you get like it almost looks like a textile, and then like a darker brownish color, as you see. I think it pretty much on the camera, it translate pretty good through the camera that I have. True to life colors, I guess, is what I'm looking for. So these are the papers that are included. Then she has some essential papers, as she calls them. You get some white sheets for like layering. And she also has, where did I put them? Some metallic papers that you can emboss or, you know, use however you like as layering mat. And then here's the rest of the one. So maybe I had 9. Yeah, this was one of the single-sided, so I had 6 of those, and yeah, 9 of the double-sided, and I had used that one on the card. So you get some metallic papers that are really pretty, and that gives it like a fun tin look there. It's got that creases in there. It looks like oh, what is the word? They use it on tin roofs, I see a lot, especially down south. Corrugated metal? Something like that. Anyway, I know I'm digressing again. So you get 2 of those, and then the small strip. Then you get some, it's really pretty. I'm not sure what kind of a texture. It feels like a parchment kind of a paper, but you get a couple of those. You get 2 of those. You get some pearlescent. Then this is more like just a craft paper, and then a little bit larger sheet of the pearlescent, which is really nice. Let me see. Oh, right, if I could keep it in camera. Yeah, it's kind of hard to pick up the pearlescent in here. But in any case, when you see it, it's got a really nice shimmer to it. And then just some basic white, like I said, for if you want to do matting or layering. She also includes a sheet of fussy cutting elements. You can color these yourself and then cut them out. Or you could just color it up and then use it as a background. Especially if you're like me and you're still kind of fussy cut challenged. And then you get envelopes. I believe there are... Let me match these up so I can keep it straight. Okay, that goes with the card that I made. This is the one I haven't done yet. So you get 2 of those. You get 2 little like notelet cards in the craft. And then you get a, I want to say it's a 3x3. I don't have a ruler in front of me. I have no idea what that translates to in centimeters. But in any case, so you get 5 cards altogether, and then as another bonus she gave you 6 fussy cutting sheets, and I believe she said it's part 1 of the Weird and Wonderful. So it's just a quick recap there of the pages that you get. So this will be good. Hopefully I don't hack them up too bad when I practice the fussy cutting, because it really, I just don't have the feel for it yet. And I know that comes with practice, so I'm not trying to be down on myself. But this will be fun. It'll be good practice. And it's a nice, heavy, sturdy paper, which is good, especially when you're fussy cutting, to use them like as embellishments. It'll definitely help that it'll be a sturdy paper. So that is the Vintage Treasures collection. That is the first ever Shiny Silver Treasures card making kit, and she has all kinds of other papers that are available on her website. I was only able to get the card kit at this time, but as I go through, I will definitely be going back and getting more of her supplies, you know, while they're all available. She is on Buy Me a Coffee if you want to support her there. Again, it's Shiny Silver Treasures is Dawn's channel. And she's on YouTube, she's on Instagram, there's a group on Facebook. So I definitely encourage you highly to check out her stuff. I am just so geeked for her. It really has been a long time coming for her. She's such a good person, and She makes so many different crafts. I'm so glad to see her getting to the next level. She certainly deserves it. I give her massive props for that. So this concludes my review, or not review, unboxing of Vintage Treasures by Shiny Silver Treasures, The Lovely Dawn, here on YouTube. So take care, everybody. Have a great day. And like I said, keep a lookout. I will be making more videos of her stuff. Those won't be chat videos. I'll do like I did with the card making. It'll just be sped up with music. But I'll have more text. I didn't want to do a lot of texting in that one to cover her stuff as I was working on the card. So I'll include a little more text bubbles on what I'm using and so on and so forth. So like I said, have a great day, everybody. Enjoy the weekend, and I will see you in the next video.